Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a really important topic for all you creative types out there, licensing your work for royalties. So, what do we mean by licensing your creative work for royalties? Essentially, it means giving someone else permission to use your work in exchange for payment. This can be a great way to make money online, especially if you have a talent for creating things like music, art, or photography. Now, let's get into the 15 steps you can take to start licensing your work for royalties in 2024. Step 1. Identify your creative niche. What are you good at? What do you love to create? Find your niche and focus on that. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Show off your best work in a professional portfolio that you can share with potential clients. Step 3. Research licensing platforms. There are many websites and platforms that specialize in connecting creators with people who want to license their work. Do your research and find the best fit for you. Step 4. Set your prices. Determine how much you want to charge for licensing your work, based on factors like usage rights, exclusivity, and duration. Step 5. Create a licensing agreement. Make sure to have a clear and comprehensive agreement in place before you start licensing your work. Step 6. Promote your work. Get the word out about your creations through social media, networking, and other marketing strategies. Step 7. Respond to inquiries. Be prompt and professional in your responses to potential clients who are interested in licensing your work. Step 8. Negotiate terms. Work with clients to come to a mutually beneficial agreement on the terms of the licensing deal. Step 9. Sign the agreement. Make sure to put everything in writing and have both parties sign the licensing agreement. Step 10. Deliver the work. Provide your client with the high-quality files or materials they need to use your work. Step 11. Monitor usage. Keep track of how your work is being used and make sure that it is being used according to the terms of the licensing agreement. Step 12. Get paid. Make sure to invoice your client promptly and receive payment for the licensing of your work. Step 13. Maintain relationships. Build strong relationships with clients who license your work, as they may come back to you for future projects. Step 14. Expand your reach. Continue to create and license new work and explore new opportunities for licensing in different markets. Step 15. Rinse and repeat. Keep up the momentum and continue to license your work for royalties to make money online in 2024 and beyond. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to licensing your creative work for royalties in 2024. I hope this video was helpful for all you beginners out there looking to make money online with your creative talents. If you have any questions or tips of your own, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.